When I started my mama's house renovations, I didn't know how they were going to turn out. I just knew I had inherited a blessing and I created a vision. And I knew in order to make this vision come to pass, I had to see it through. I had to give my heart on. And I think that's what a lot of people fall short at. We'll have a great idea of doing some great things, but you won't see it through. You don't, you think it's going to be instant, like Instagram. It doesn't happen like that all the time. Some successful businesses don't boom into 5 or maybe 7 or 10 years after they was in business. Maybe they was just struggling getting the bills paid and then something happened. But you got to have the vision. My goal is just to lead by example. I'm just a guy who had a vision and seen it to pass. You've seen it. Most people watch what I walked into. And I'm not even done yet. And I'm not telling you that I got it all figured out. But I do know one fact. As long as I keep knocking, as long as I keep grinding, as long as I keep hope alive within myself, and I say, I can't do it, but how can I do it? Okay, I don't have that, but how can I create that? It's just a different way to look at the scenario. But I can tell you this, family. This is just a small step to what I planned on doing with my life. But the cool thing is, when you can take something that someone else said was nothing, someone else said that, you know what, it ain't even worth my time, you know, it ain't even worth me messing with, and you bring it back to life. That means something. And you know why I put my sweat and my blood and I threw my savings into my mom's house and I've been working on it myself, me and my wife, because she never gave up on me. I was someone that people would have said, you know what, just let him go. You know, he's in prison. You know, I did a decade from him, but she didn't give up on me. She kept working on me. She had a vision. She was the one that planted that seed for me to become a welder, for me to be independent, for one day have a business, one day teach others. She said that. Now I'm in her house, working on renovations, turning something that someone thought was nothing, someone that left behind, it was like, it was damaged, it was dead over here, family. But now it's for the life. And I can only do that because I had a vision and I seen it through. And I'm not even done yet. I'm gonna take my time and keep working on it because she never gave up on me. And in life, you only got one. They say take care of yourself. Eat right, live right, treat others right. That way, in the span that you do have and that dash that you do have, people will have good things to say about what you did. Yeah, it might start off rough. Most of our past started off rough. We didn't know what we was doing. Coming from the hood, we had different role models that shouldn't have been role models, but that's what it was. That's what we had. And I respect that. And I still honor those memories in the game that they gave me. But now that I'm grown, I had to put away childish things and I had to build my own vision. So I'm just a person who's living by example to let you know that in order for you to do it, you gotta stay focused, you gotta have a vision, and you gotta get your heart on. Like FENIKS.